Welcome, and this is your XRP and Bitcoin chart analysis update for April 17th, 2025. We are going to jump right into the chart, but first, if you guys need a good exchange to buy spot crypto or to trade futures, you can check out the link in my description to Bitunix. If you sign up now, you will get a 10% sign up bonus. Yes, that's correct. 10% sign up bonus on your first trade. If that's something you're interested in, the link is in my description. Now let's jump right into it. I got the 1 hour chart pulled up on XRP. What I can see that is happening right now, guys, is we did fall below 215 and started jiggling around between the $2.04, $2.10 area. Now, I did call this on yesterday's video. I believe it was the pattern of an inverse head and shoulders that we were looking at. As you guys can tell, this is the exact same thing I drew. Let's see, the same exact thing I drew on the video yesterday. I was anticipating, I believe I made it about right here at the dip. I was anticipating for it to maybe come down a little bit more. That it did, but it didn't. And we would come back up eventually and make a shoulder just like this one. We would dip, consolidate, get a nice little pump back up to the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders. It is not only the break line for the inverse head and shoulders, it is also the perfect resistance line of the falling wedge pattern we've been in for a month now, for about 4 months. And then also the resistance line of $2.15 that we have been struggling to get past for a while now. Now, if we can break through all of this, the smaller charts will tell us something similar, that we will get a pump that is about $2.60. Now, if we can actually go to the daily, actually the weekly, thank you, that's the one that I wanted. As you guys can see, right now we are still in this falling wedge. We are right at the resistance. Like I said just now, 215 and resistance for this falling wedge. If this one breaks, guys, this one is going to be the life changer. Oh, I'll have to put that back. This will be the life changer. Check this out. $5, guys. If this pattern breaks, it will give us a $5 price target. Might hit a little resistance somewhere, consolidate, but we'll probably get a bull flag or a pennant, and it'll bust back up all the way up to probably about $5 within about a month. So that is what we're expecting for XRP. Bitcoin is really not much different. This pattern we've been in for 4 years. We have not really been able to get past this neckline on this inverse head and shoulders. However, when we did, we got a nice boost, but not the target we wanted. We only got half. Why? Because for some reason, Bitcoin felt like maybe we need to come back down and make sure this is support first before we have any more upside. And that's exactly what it did. It came down. We busted out, came down in another falling wedge. Or in this falling wedge is what we've made, the one that we've been in for a couple of months now. And then we got a nice bounce right off of the downtrend and everything right here, the 78,000 resistance, the whole nine. So right now what it's doing is similar to XRP. It is also trying to do at this moment an inverse head and shoulders. And every single pattern ends with 2 lines of resistance. Every single one of them, guys. So either we're going to bust through this thing on XRP and Bitcoin, either we're going to really bust through this thing or we're going to crash. It's one way or the other. We cannot stay consolidating sideways. We're getting wedged too much. Now, if you guys stay with me to the end, I really appreciate it. You can check out all my latest stuff on the left. You can subscribe to me on the right. And until the next video, guys, y'all take care of yourself and each other.